Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals to percentages worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can practice changing decimals to percentages. Now we've had a lesson on this earlier, so if you didn't see the lesson or you're not sure what to do, just go to the last slide on this particular video and there's a link very clearly shown. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how each of these examples are done. So basically, if we take any one of the examples, let's take this one, 0.76. Basically there are two rules, and the first rule is take special note of the position of the decimal point. So let me write that here, 0.76. So we note where the decimal point is, and you see here it's to the left of the 7. The second thing we do to get the answer is we move this decimal point 2 places to the right. Once we do that, that changes the answer to a percentage. So for this particular example, the answer will be 76%. Okay? So I won't do any more on this page, but that is the rule. You must focus on the decimal point. You must move it 2 places to the right. That gives you the answer as a percentage. Now, the other important thing to note is that example there, all the way here. See all those there in that column there? Notice that they are greater than 1. All of them, because you have a number here. So what I'm saying is the decimals can be greater than 1. However, the rules are the same. Remember what happens when you have a whole number? The decimal point is there, but it's always to the right, on the right-hand side. Let's just pretend it's invisible, but it is there. Let's have a look at the next slide, see what that's got to offer. Okay, these are just a little bit longer, that's all. They're not that much more complicated. Because if you follow the two rules, there's no difficulty whatsoever. So if we go down here, for example, see that decimal is bigger than 1. That doesn't matter. You know where the decimal point is. You know you have to move it 2 places to the right. Then you write the answer as a percentage. Doesn't matter how big the decimal is. There it is there. That's quite large. 70.009. The rules are the same. Note the position of the decimal point. Move it 2 places to the right. And that's the answer as a percentage. And remember, if you're still not sure and you want some extra guidance, on the next slide there will be a link to the lesson. Click on the link. It'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So this video has presented just a few slides and we're able to practice changing a decimal to a percentage by following two simple rules.